Hello, greetings. This is Gilles Mention. I thought I'd do another video for I may not have to free up some time tomorrow. I wanted to get ready. I wanted to give a message. In a sense, we do want to improve the quality of the story we are telling ourselves. And for life is a story. We are writing books and chapters and turning pages and sometimes opening commas, and we bring all kinds of things within that story. Every bit is important, but we want to improve the quality of our story to move from a negative story or polarized story with goods and bads to move to a totally positive story, understanding the circular nature of infinity for infinity with our true nature. But infinity does not have angles, and we do have angles. Infinity does not have barriers or frontier. Everything is one within infinity, and we still have those limitations. And so it's about connecting to this nature of the infinite that is divine, that is pure love. And so we want to work with that. We want to bring the planet back to paradise, and that my mission here is to bring the earth back to paradise and to enjoy my life in the process. For we're working towards this self-liberation. It's not it's our God self, our union with our God self that creates that freedom, that liberation, that return. For we are really looking forward to the returns, but there's still things that we need to be patient with and continue to work with patience and perseverance. For when you create art, you need to learn patience and perseverance, because we don't always get what we want right away. I wanted to say about the largest part of us is God. No matter what we want to do is within our consciousness to surrender to that divine presence within, and to understand that it's also outside, and what we control is within ourselves. But outside, the control is very illusionary. The control we may exercise because God is there, for God is within and without. So we want to have a total surrender of our within and the without. So it's about new trusting more, discovering this new truth, this new belief, and entering into this new reality on a completely different paradigms. For there is the you that the me that I believe I am, and there is the true me. For the other is true you, and the you believe to yourself to be. And so it is about becoming our true self. Carl Jung, there was a philosopher named Carl Jung who was really emphasis on his work about signs and synchronicities. Synchronicities are far more important than we believe, because when we are in synchronicity with event and element and energies, we are in the now. The more we are conscious of the synchronicity, the more we share the moment of now with higher forces of the universe, and those synchronicities will happen more and more. There is the form and the substance. It's about understanding both. I don't want to become turning towards Aristotle, but we do want to trust. We want to trust the universe as much as possible. It's very important to trust the universe and trust life as much as possible. I'm going to pull some cards. The highest wisdom is finance. What we need to understand is the self energy, the vibration, that I won't interpret it. I'll let you intuitively interpret them. What we need to do is the lesson and good deeds. The lessons and good deeds. The cards are in French. And the outcome is the nun or the monk. It's about not dispersing our energies and stay focused, keeping our eyes on the ball. For what we call death is the ultimate, I don't know, because there's this idea of fear of death, but when it depends on your faith. When death is we have to let go of life, but life continues always. But it's all depends on how we what is our knowledge. For when you believe in God, you can go. The angels can assist you a lot more than when you completely in refusal of that. And there are people who believe in God but do not believe in eternal life. So in a sense, God is eternal life, and we are part of that. We are connected to that from the root to the crown. It's on every level. It is connected. We are connected to that, and so. But it's So the life after death is depending on what our beliefs. But I wanted to speak briefly about ghosts. For the ghosts really exist. There are 7 and some billion people that are souls that are incarnated, and there are a couple of billion souls that are incarnated, maybe more even, that are not incarnated form, that are in transition period between, they don't have to be, but the ghost population also exists. The ghost population are those beings that refuse to let go of the incarnation, so they end up on a fourth dimension in a parallel world that resemble exactly their own, what the physical material world existed, but they are separated from the ability to interact with life. Well, they can do things, but so it's the idea is to can liberate them. They are just persons. Treat them as just regular persons, and they're just regular persons that have for a time God let them hold on to whatever incarnation. And so the idea is to burn when you have a place where you have those spirits that are trapped within wall. You pray for them. You pray for their freedom. You bring some holy water that you spray. You can burn some incense. First you burn some incense to clear up the space, then you bless it with the water, and then you burn white candles, and then you sanctify the place so that there is no spirit that are holding on to the wall where you're living in. And just a little ceremony. So what we're seeking is the power of a self, is because this is the power within, is really the mastery of those energies, because the power without is only an illusion, a temporal illusion. And when this power within will lead us to this connection to a feeling that is the greatest feeling in the universe. It's the greatest connection that's ever been, is the connection to our source and our creator. So we do want to cultivate that connection and even sign a contract that our will are eternally unified in the pursuit of the highest good of all and the highest evolution of ourselves and the universe. So create this contract, you go into the astral plane, you meet your higher self, and you sit down, you go to the table and you sign those contracts, and then you are bound to this new agreement. But you have to be prepared. Only half of humanity will be prepared for ascension, to be one with their higher self, to accept the law of God, the law of love. So it's part of the process. We are being trained. I hope this message was interesting for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. Behind me, this is a painting. It's a Zen painting, in a sense. It's the sign of infinity. There is a rainbow, and then there is the Buddha above. That's disappearing into the non-form, into the substance, the essence. And this is a painting about evolution in process. There is this like Bacon figure, but soft Bacon, Francis Bacon. And this is like this person that's walking, but it's only his legs, and he's carrying the Trinity towards the planet. And there's this great big beam of violet energy on the other side. And then it's the space is. I like this painting. It's very unique. Transition painting. I'm gonna pull one more card at the end. I forgot in the French video, but I'll do it now. And I'm gonna sing a song. It's a song of Pink Floyd. It's a bit intense song, but a variety of music, because it's called Mother. Mother, do you think they'll drop the bomb? Mother, do you think they'll like this song? Mother, do you think they'll try to break my balls? Mother, should I build a wall? Mother, should I run for president? Mother, should I trust the government? Mother, will they put me in a firing line? Mother, is it just a waste of time? Hush now, baby, baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna make all your nightmares come true. Mother's gonna put all your fears into you. Mother's gonna keep you right here under her wing. She won't let you fly, but she might let you sing. Mama's gonna keep baby cozy and warm. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Of course, Mama's gonna help you build a wall. Mother, do you think she's good enough to me? Mother, do you think she's dangerous to me? Mother, will she tear your little boy apart? Mother, will she break my heart? Hush now, baby, baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna check out all your girlfriends for you. Mama won't let any dirty get through. Mama's gonna wait up until you get in. Mama will always find out where you've been. Mama's gonna keep baby healthy and clean. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. You'll always be baby to me. Mother, did it need to be so high? Fun song from Pink Floyd. And we put one more card just to finish. See what the Archangels. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful time coming up in this holiday season. And it's the Ace of Gabriel. Passion, opportunity, inspiration. The opportunity to do something marvelous is opening itself to you. Be in wonderment. It's all happening. Let us enjoy it. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.